I'm so excited to try these.
Get rid of unwanted hair easily. Shaving can be annoying, time-consuming, and difficult. With Pansley's hair removal set, take the shaving out of your beauty routine. First, use the hair remover to get rid of any annoying, unwanted hair. In only 8 minutes, you will get beautiful, smooth, hairless skin. Then use the hair growth inhibitor, which makes your hair grow back thinner and slower. You will see a difference in only 4 weeks. That's all there is to it. So easy to use with so many awesome benefits. Pansley's hair removal is all natural, vegan, cruelty-free, and free of allergens. It has great ingredients like hyaluronic acid, witch hazel, and aloe vera, which your skin will love. The inhibitor also has great ingredients that prevent damage, repair skin, and is moisturizing as well. Both are suitable for all skin types and sensitive skin. And they are so easy to use. Just apply, wait, and wipe. You can use the products on your face, legs, arms, underarms, bikini area, anywhere. Look at the difference. Say bye to razor bumps, razor burn, cuts, redness, ingrown hairs, and itchy skin. And say hello to hairless, moisturized, beautiful skin.
So, thoughts on this? The Pansley hair removal is super easy to use. It only took 8 minutes. My underarms look great. I'm so happy. They're so smooth. No razor bumps or anything like that. And what's nice is that I know it's going to last a little bit longer than what shaving would. It's super easy to use. I use it on my legs and under my arms, but you can use it anywhere. Really, really great stuff. And then I followed it up with the Pansley hair growth inhibitor. So this I also put under my arms and on my legs so that the hair grows back a lot slower, if any of it grows back at all. We see results in 4 weeks. I'm super excited to see how this works. It feels really nice. I put it under my arms and my legs. My legs feel super moisturized. My underarms feel super moisturized with this. There's no like weird smell. And the best part was that using these products, it didn't itch like a lot of hair removal creams do. No stinging, no itching, super easy to use. I forgot I had it on and it felt so comfortable on my skin. Pansley hair removal set for beautiful hairless skin.